Welcome in this Russia how to reverse money on FNB app. So as you can see, this is the payment reversals process, and this is an official guide of FNB. These information are up to date. If you have submitted an EFT payment incorrectly and the transaction has already been debited from your account and processed into the recipient's account, follow the payment reversal process below to have the transaction reversed. So they are 5 steps. Complete the payment reversal request form in full. This form must be completed in full and signed by the account holder, mandated representative. Then step 3, the completed form must be emailed to this email address, which is the official FNB email address about a payment reversals. Step 4, you will receive an automated response with a reference number for the reversal request and for inquiries, or if you do not received reference number for your submission with 15 minutes, please contact the number on the back of your bank card for assistance. So you will need to basically fill out that form, send it to them on their email, and then they will handle the rest. And that's how to reverse money on the FNB app. If the city was helpful, make sure to like the video, and thank you for watching.